Hey there, food fanatics! Welcome back to my kitchen where the flavors are always off the chain. If you're ready to take a ride on the flavor train, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. This week, we're diving headfirst into a classic that'll have your taste buds singing. Get ready for some seriously awesome fried shrimp, bursting with flavor and crunch. We're talking crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and totally irresistible. So buckle up, grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. There's nothing quite like a plate of perfectly fried shrimp. It's one of those dishes that just screams summer, sunshine, and good times with friends and family. But let's be real, you don't need a special occasion to whip up this crowd pleaser. Whether you're craving a taste of the coast or just want a quick and easy meal that's guaranteed to impress, this fried shrimp recipe is your new go-to. We're keeping things simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. Get ready for some serious crunch satisfaction. This recipe is all about creating a light and crispy batter that lets the natural sweetness of the shrimp shine through. Trust me, once you take a bite, you'll be hooked. All right, culinary comrades, let's gather our ingredients and prepare for a flavor explosion. Don't worry, we're keeping things simple and accessible. Here's what you'll need to create these golden brown beauties. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1 cup all-purpose flour. Half a cup of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Half a teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional for a little kick. 1 egg beaten. Half a cup of milk, and vegetable oil for frying. Once you've got your ingredients prepped and ready to go, it's time to fire up those stoves and get ready for some serious frying action. Section 4, let's get cooking. It's fried shrimp time. Now comes the fun part. Let's turn those fresh ingredients into a plate of crispy, golden brown deliciousness. Follow these easy steps, and you'll be a fried shrimp master in no time. First, prep your shrimp. Rinse the shrimp and pat them dry with paper towels. This helps the batter stick better. Next, mix the dry ingredients. In a shallow bowl, whisk together the flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper if you're using it. Then, prepare the wet ingredients. In another shallow bowl, whisk together the egg and milk. Now, coat the shrimp. Dip each shrimp first into the egg mixture, letting any excess drip off. Then, dredge it in the flour mixture, pressing lightly to ensure it's fully coated. Heat the oil. In a large skillet or Dutch oven, heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Fry the shrimp. Carefully add the shrimp to the hot oil in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and cooked through. Finally, drain and serve. Remove the shrimp from the oil using a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauces. There you have it. A plate of crispy, juicy, and utterly irresistible fried shrimp that's guaranteed to have everyone coming back for more. Section 5. Show me your culinary masterpieces. All right, food fans, now it's your turn. Get in the kitchen and whip up a batch of these awesome fried shrimp. Kick back and enjoy your fried shrimp. And hey, while you're at it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more flavor explosions, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the fun. Until next time, keep on cooking those killer meals.